We lost a lot of crucibles yesterday, so I'm taking a new approach to casting metals. You can melt your metal in an evaporating dish. We have these smaller ones. Ask your teacher for a smaller one. It's a better choice. See, this big bowl, don't use that. You're encouraged to practice with pennies. Younger than 1982 is zinc. That's what you need. Younger means the date is something like 2000, 1995. It has to be a new penny. Young equals new. People have used the copper pennies and it's just a waste of time and a waste of material. Do it right. Your tin will probably be in a beaker. You need to use all of it. It looks like a lot, but it isn't really that much. Put it all in the bowl. Your tin is probably wet. That's a problem. So start with a low temperature fire, trying to dry it out. So here, this fire is too hot. You see the red glow? Take away some gas, take away some air. Okay, now it's not a very hot fire. Alright, so I'm drying out the tin here. Recommend you have some kind of stir stick. So I'll try to provide you with a metal stir stick that won't melt. So you should be able to see, and maybe hear, that it's bubbling, boiling, the water's getting evaporated. So now it's been drying out for a while. I'm going to increase the flame. More gas, more air. You can hear the roar, you can see the glow. It's going to get much hotter now. This will be hot enough to melt the tin. So I'm trying to be a good chef here and distribute the heat fairly evenly. If you see a lot of smoke, that's bad. A little bit of smoke is okay. Been heating about a minute now, and tin is starting to melt. There it goes. Alright, so you can see I've got a nice beautiful blob of molten metal, but you also see how small it is. It looked like a lot in the beginning, and now it's not much of anything. So I'm trying to put the leftover zinc bits inside. If I did it well, there wouldn't be any zinc bits in here. There we go, molten metal in the dish. Okay. Now, I'm going to pour it out of this spout here. As I'm a right-handed person, I'm going to grip this left side of the bowl and I can pour it out the right side. So here I'll do that. I'll use this one right here. Pour it all at once. Shake the mold. That's really important so you can level the metal. You can see I don't quite have enough metal to reach all the corners. So with your tin, you probably can't make a big sculpture. With the pennies you can, but with the tin you should be think small rather than big. The bowl is really hot. Please don't try to clean the bowl. People who put water in the bowl will shatter. The bowl will break. That's how we lost a lot of crucibles. Just let it cool naturally. It'll be fine. After it's cool, it's still blazing hot. After it's cool, I usually use wash acid to clean the bowl. So if you get to that point where your bowl is cool and you want to help, ask your instructor, and maybe you can use some wash acid to get rid of this black slag that's at the bottom of the evaporating dish. This one is probably cooled far enough I can take it out. Yeah, there we go. So this is beautiful. Would be better if I had a little more tin, but it's a beautiful sculpture there. As I said, think small with the tin. You'll probably be happier. But this is how you do it. I'm hoping we won't lose any of these dishes. Follow the instructions, please.